Litefinance is an ECN broker successfully working since 2005. We invite you to participate in our top-of-the-line contest, Best IB Nigeria. First, you need to register as a partner at Litefinance. Then, attract at least 5 new active clients with $300 deposits or more every month. The contest points will be calculated during the whole year according to the following algorithm: 1 point for each lot traded in referrals accounts, 2 points for every $300 of the total deposits, 20 points for each active referral. The best 11 partners can win the following prizes: Hyundai Tucson, travel packages worth $5,000 to visit the main office at Litefinance, MacBooks Pro 14. Money prizes are awarded every month. To contend for a monthly prize, a partner needs to score at least 160 points and bring in at least 5 referrals within 1 month. All the points scored will be considered when the main prize, a car, is raffled. To rank on the final top partners list, the participants need to remain active during the whole contest period, attract at least 50 clients, and score at least 1,600 points. All Litefinance's registered partners from Nigeria who attract at least 50 active referrals and score at least 1,600 points during the contest period participate in the contest. Get the largest amount of points and win. Go ahead, give it your best shot.